Alright guys, now I'm going to be installing the crank. So crank, I already got the rear seal on, so I'm gonna lube it up a little, the bearings.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, got the crank in, looking pretty good. Spins. Just need to get the torque specs and then crank is ready to go. See all the silicone seal up. So the good thing about this, if it's 2-axis, I can wipe it off or clean it off when it dried. So there's a crank sensor here. So ready to go. Just gotta wait on the rest parts, get this torqued, and then I'm gonna oil up the cylinder walls and get it ready for when it's time for the pistons. So keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the block is all torqued up. Cylinder walls were honed already. Crank spins lovely. Wasn't spinning too much because it's just a little bit of oil. So everything looks good. The torque specs, I didn't record torquing it because it's simple to do. Crank, I used the Newton meters, that's what you call it. So I did the M8 bolts, 25, and then you do 60 degrees and on all the bolts, and then you do 15. So the M6 bolts, which are the small ones, you can see under here, these small ones in the outer part, those I guess it's called the M6. So I did, those are 10 Newton meters, and then you do 60 degrees and then 15. All the bolts took all the torque, so everything is on perfect. So next, waiting on the pistons and everything. So what I'm gonna do, take a trash bag and cover this motor up to protect it from any debris, and then we should be good to go. So I'll keep you guys updated. All the silicone you can see sealed good, came out. So yeah, everything torqued. You can see the one bolt there and the ends, that one there. Also you can see brand new rear seal installed, so everything's looking perfect. So alright guys, got my new piston and rings installed. As you can see, I spaced the oil rings. This is one in here, you can see there. Then the other one is here. Then in the middle is where it joins, so you gotta space it apart. And then think I'm gonna put those space here, and then the other top rings, put the gap on this side and one gap on this side, so that way they can do what they're supposed to do. If you line everything up with all the gaps, you have no compression, so you gotta spin, put a gap separate away from each other to prevent any compression loss. So yeah, I'm gonna get these cleaned up. We'll actually wipe down, put the bearings in, and then try installing the block. So soon the head is gonna be on. So I'll keep you guys tuned. What's good, YouTube? Now I'm gonna be installing pistons in the crank. Everything looked clean and ready to go. Motor was covered with it was covered with a bag, so any contaminants. These are the pistons, brand new. Got the bearings in. I'm gonna mark one side with a marker so I make sure I put it the right way, because these are not cut flush. I guess that's how GM does it. So if I put it the wrong way, that would be an issue. So I'm gonna take a marker and mark it on each rod. My safety, so this is how I'm gonna do it, like that. That's one. I should probably put it on the side. On the side with the letter E, all the E. Okay, see, you can see, separate. So the E side, the arrow is facing this way. So when I put it in, I can see the line on this side instead of this side. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lube this up and set the rings like this and one that way. Get it angled right. So let's go. Lube everything up. And everything around. Lube up the sides. Looking good. So now I'm gonna open my opener. I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna set these rings. Arrow is going this way. So I'm gonna set. Okay, let's see. Okay, these move together, so. scratches, so one piston down.